In a bold demonstration of modern naval warfare, China has showcased its Type 055 destroyer's prowess in a simulated battle against a formidable U.S. naval fleet. This wargame, set in the Western Pacific near Taiwan, involved the Type 055 destroyer collaborating with unmanned drone motherships, deploying a network of drones and unmanned boats. The Chinese fleet successfully intercepted a barrage of advanced missiles launched by 8 U.S. Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, emerging unscathed. This simulation not only highlights China's innovative kill web strategy but also signals a potential paradigm shift in naval warfare. China's recent naval simulation introduces the kill web strategy, a sophisticated evolution of traditional combat doctrines. Unlike the linear kill chain approach, where each step follows a sequential order from detection to engagement, the kill web operates as an interconnected network. This framework allows for simultaneous, multi-directional responses to threats, enhancing flexibility and resilience in combat scenarios. Central to this strategy is the integration of unmanned systems. In the simulation, the Type 055 destroyer was accompanied by unmanned drone motherships, which deployed 32 drones and 14 unmanned boats. These autonomous platforms extended the surveillance and defensive reach of the destroyer, creating a multi-layered defense system capable of rapid threat detection and interception. The drones and unmanned boats functioned as force multipliers, conducting reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and direct engagement tasks. Their ability to operate without onboard human crews reduces the risk to personnel and allows for more aggressive maneuvers that might be too hazardous for manned vessels. This autonomy enables a more dynamic response to rapidly changing combat situations, aligning with the principles of the kill web by facilitating real-time data sharing and coordinated actions across multiple platforms. This strategy represents a significant shift from traditional naval doctrines that rely heavily on manned platforms and hierarchical command structures. The kill web leverages advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and autonomous systems to create a decentralized command framework. Such a networked approach allows for faster decision-making processes, as autonomous systems can process information and execute responses without waiting for human intervention, thereby reducing reaction times in high-stakes environments. The implications of adopting a kill web strategy are profound. It challenges existing naval tactics and compels other nations to rethink their approaches to maritime warfare. The Type 055 destroyer, at the heart of China's naval simulation, epitomizes the nation's strides in maritime technology. Launched in 2014, this class of destroyers is among the largest and most advanced globally, boasting stealth capabilities, an extensive array of sensors, and a versatile vertical launch system accommodating various missile types. Designed for multi-mission roles, the Type 055 can effectively engage in anti-aircraft, anti-ship, and anti-submarine operations, reflecting China's ambition to field a blue-water navy capable of projecting power across the globe. In contrast, the U.S. Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, first introduced in the 1980s, have been the backbone of American naval power for decades. While these vessels have undergone numerous upgrades to enhance their capabilities, their foundational design reflects the technological context of their inception. Each Arleigh Burke-class destroyer is equipped with over 90 missiles and specializes in various combat roles, including anti-aircraft, anti-ship, and tactical land strikes. However, the aging design presents limitations in integrating the latest technological advancements seamlessly. The U.S. Navy is developing a replacement for the Arleigh Burke fleet, known as the DDG-X, with deployments expected no earlier than 2032. Details on the ship's capabilities remain undisclosed, reflecting the ongoing evolution of naval warfare strategies. A critical aspect highlighted by the simulation is the economic efficiency of China's defense strategy. The cost disparity between Chinese and U.S. missile systems is significant. American missiles, such as the Tomahawk and long-range anti-ship missiles, LRASM, are priced between $1 million and $3 million per unit, placing substantial financial strain on military budgets during extended engagements. In contrast, Chinese missile systems reportedly cost between $400,000 and $1 million per missile. This cost-effectiveness allows China to sustain longer engagements with less financial burden, making their strategy both effective and economically viable. China's focus on technological superiority and economic efficiency reflects a strategic approach to modern warfare. By investing in advanced platforms like the Type 055 destroyer and integrating cost-effective unmanned systems, China aims to enhance its naval capabilities while maintaining fiscal prudence. Western Pacific was no coincidence. This region is one of the world's most contested maritime zones, and Taiwan remains at the heart of rising tensions between China and the United States. By simulating a major confrontation near Taiwan, China is not just testing its military technology, it's sending a clear strategic message. It is preparing for high-intensity conflict in what it considers a core national interest zone. The use of the Type 055 and its accompanying kill web in this simulation underlines how seriously China is taking its goal of reunifying Taiwan, by force if necessary. President Xi Jinping has made no secret of this ambition, reiterating that reunification is a historical inevitability. Following Taiwan's 2024 presidential elections, in which pro-independence candidate William Lai Ching-te emerged victorious, Beijing intensified its rhetoric and military maneuvers. The simulation appears to be both a response and a deterrent, a show of readiness and capability. Crucially, this exercise reflects China's asymmetric warfare doctrine. Rather than trying to match the U.S. Navy ship for ship, China is investing in smart, networked solutions that offset the technological and numerical superiority of its adversaries. The kill web, composed of autonomous, lower-cost systems that act in coordination with high-end platforms like the Type 055, exemplifies this strategy. The drones and unmanned boats serve as both force extenders and sacrificial assets, designed to overwhelm and confuse enemy defenses without risking major capital ships or human life. Importantly, the demonstration of missile-on-missile interception capability suggests that China is preparing for saturation strikes, one of the most difficult challenges in naval warfare. It claims to have intercepted 32 Tomahawk and LRASM missiles launched by the U.S. fleet in the simulation and emerged with enough resources to survive another wave. While these claims have not been independently verified and rely heavily on state media and affiliated think tanks, the symbolic effect is undeniable. This simulation is not just about tactics and technology. It's about signaling resolve and rewriting the rules of engagement. China's simulated naval battle near Taiwan isn't just military theater, it's a revealing look at the future of warfare. The seamless integration of the Type 055 destroyer with a swarm of autonomous drones and boats forms a powerful kill web that challenges conventional strategies. It signals a shift toward faster, cheaper, and smarter combat solutions. More importantly, it highlights rising geopolitical stakes in the Pacific, especially around Taiwan. As technology evolves, so too must the world's approach to deterrence and diplomacy. The simulation may be virtual, but its implications are very real, and they demand serious global attention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.